Let's go cook some.
Let's go cook.
Start with 2 spring onion. Half a medium white onions. 50 grams of carrots. 3 garlic cloves. 20 grams of ginger. 250 grams of zucchini. 250 grams of chicken breast. To marinate the chicken, cornstarch, 1 teaspoon, 1/4 spoon of white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of regular oil. Mix well, marinate for 15 minutes. For the stir fry sauce, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 50 ml of water. Stir until the cornstarch fully dissolves. 3 tablespoons of oil into a medium hot pan. Fry the ginger on a medium heat until brown on both sides. Once the ginger is brown, discard the ginger. In with the marinated chicken. After about 40 seconds, turn your chicken over. Keep stirring your chicken until it's evenly brown on both sides. Once the chicken is evenly brown, remove it from the pan, set it aside. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into a medium hot pan. In with our onions. The rest of our garlic. In with the zucchini. Splash of Shaoxing wine. $10 ml of water. Lid on for 40 seconds. 40 seconds up, take the lid off. Return the chicken. Add in the carrots. In with the sauce we made earlier. And turn the rest of the spring onion. Give it a few stir. When the sauce is thickened, we are ready.